Welcome back guys. Today we are going to discuss the Pyplot library, like how to draw the images with the help of Pyplot. It says Pyplot class allow you to display a Matplotlib Pyplot chart in the Chatbot UI. And in previous class we know that we already discussed Plotly library. So the difference between this element and Plotly element is that the user is shown a static image of chart when using Pyplot. So simply if you want interactive images in your chatbot, so you can use Plotly. If you want static images, you simply use Pyplot. Pyplot library also have different attributes like name of the chart, display means display option like side, inline or page, and size. We have different options like small size, maybe medium or large. So how to draw the image? Let me just copy this, and in on chat start decorator I will simply paste this code here. So to use PLT I will simply import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I will copy and paste this line here. Let me just save and refresh our chatbot. So it is the image we plot using the Pyplot library. So we discussed that we have different options, like maybe we play with the size. Let's change the size is equal to large maybe. Let me save and refresh the chatbot again. Yes, now the image size is large. So that's it guys. In this way you can use Pyplot library to draw the different static images. In previous video we discussed the Plotly. You can definitely check that video also. So I personally like Plotly library because the images were quite interactive. And yes, that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day guys.